Hi. Matthew and I have exams in about a week, and these are arguably the most important exams. Today I'd like to talk about just ways to study. I've been struggling myself with finding the most efficient ways to study, and I guess it comes down to trial and error. But we can sort of narrow down our trial to so that they aim at how we study best. There are four types of learners. There are the visual learners, the oral learners, the readers, and then the kinesthetic learners. And I'm going to be talking about all four of them just really quickly. So if you're a visual learner, you learn best through graphs and pictures and symbols and flowcharts, underlining and using different color pens and highlighters and posters and pictures. So that's how you take in information best. And then to study, apparently, and if you're that kind of learner, to study for exams, you should probably be colorful, highlight your stuff. Use flowcharts, use as many pictures as you can, redraw pages from memory, and then replace words with symbols or stuff, and then just compress your notes into ways that appeal to you visually. And if you're an oral learner, which means that you study best by hearing other people, you take in information best by participating in discussions, and just talking your material out with other people. So and you remember things by using interesting examples, stories, or jokes. If you're that kind of learner, the best way, in my opinion, is to maybe convert your notes into something that you can listen to, or attach it to an interesting story so it's easy for you to remember, or explain things to other people, or have other people explain it for you, to you, and if you're a reader slash a writer I am, I mean, not reader writer type of learner, you have a strong preference for learning by reading or writing, that's what I mean. You take information best by using lists, headings, you just read your information. And if you're that kind of learner, if you just write out your notes, write out your notes, and then read your notes just over and over again. Maybe organize your notes into more compressed notes, so you have everything into easy compact, into a compact sort of page. And lastly, if you're a kinesthetic sort of learner, you learn best by using all your different senses, for really participating in things like application, using examples and pictures and everything. And the way you study for that is, you tend to remember the real things that happen. So you put plenty of examples into your sort of study guide, and use case studies and everything, and then experiments work really well for that. So yeah, those are the four kinds of learning broken down real quickly, and ways to study for each and every one of them, if you're that kind of learner. Yeah, there's a questionnaire sort of thing that lets you figure out what kind of learning you're best, you are the type of learner you are. Sorry, words come out of my mouth. Yeah, and I'll put that in the link down below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. That was really rough. Thank you. Bye.